Press Settings button in Remote Control to launch Quick Settings. In Quick Settings, go to Network Settings. Now, go to Wi-Fi connection. Settings menu appearance may slightly differ from model to model. To turn on the Wi-Fi connection, click on the above button. Once it turned on, the button will turn to green color. Select the network you wish to connect with. After selecting the network, if the network is secured, then you have to enter the password. Enter the password using virtual keyboard through remote. You can type numbers from remote directly, and for alphabets you have to use virtual keyboard through navigation and OK keys in remote. If in case internet isn't connecting to TV, then please check your router settings and contact internet service provider. TV has been successfully connected to the desired network.